John? Sergeant at Arms. What is the commotion? Bakit?
I think, Mr. Chair, it's better that we
What happened?
transfer some of...
Ano nangyari? You wish me to explain? Nang dumaan lang ako, Mr. Chair, sabi niya, di ba bayan muna ka? O, so ano ngayon?
Speak louder.
Nang dumadaan ako, Mr. Chair, ang sabi ni Mr. Cardema, di ba bayan muna ka? Tumatakbo ka sa eleksyon. So sabi ko, marami namang congressman dito tumatakbo sa eleksyon. Bakit kami ang minimension mo?
Okay, sige po.
So yun
Maraming
na naman
salamat
po
po.
ang ano ko.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you,
Mr.
Mr.
Chair.
Chair.
Mr. Chair, I would advise our guests here, please not to provoke anybody, especially the guests here, if I may humbly request, para hindi ko tayo tumagal pa.
Thank you, Congressman Adjong.
Mr. Chairman, Mr. Chairman,
Yes,
may I ask
Congressman Paduano.
former Congressman Ray Colmenares as a resource person to go back in the meeting room
No, I think he's going to
Unless-
the comfort room.
unless nasa siya, sa comfort room.
Yeah, he's going to the comfort room. So please be reminded, Mr. Cardema, ito reminder lamang po. Dito sa committee ito, hindi nyo po pwedeng iton, palakpakan, o insultuhin kahit sino. Paalala lang yan. The next time gawin mo yan, baka ikaw ang magsisi, ha? Just a reminder. Thank you.